Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. Will the USD Euro rate of exchange hit parity? Okay everybody, so let's dive in here. First things first, a bit of background information here. The USD Euro currency pair here will be depicted by a rate of exchange here, which you'll see on your left hand side. Essentially this is telling you how many dollars would be equivalent to 1 euro. So in the case, if you're looking at it from the dollar's perspective, a high rate of exchange would be worse for a dollar, and a lower rate of exchange would be better. Parity essentially is having the currency pair 1-to-1 here. So if we take a look at the graph, we haven't actually been at or below parity since 2002. So definitely something to consider while looking at this historical graph here. According to our trend line here, within the next couple of years, we expect, or we're actually estimated to still be trading around the 116 range. Now, I don't think that this is going to happen. I do see the dollar being closer to the 110 range, but do I see it being at or below parity? No. As some traders have estimated, I don't see that happening right now, just with the current political climate going on right now and the level of uncertainty in the market. I don't see the dollar being at or below parity here. Okay, so here with this graph, we actually have the US dollar euro rate of exchange percent change per day here. So as you can see, one of the first things that catches your eye here in 2005, we see a low point here as far as average percent change per day here at a negative 0.05% change, where now we are considerably itching back up to positive 0.0581 here. So this is kind of just a measure to volatility. The foreign exchange markets are far less volatile than the let's say the stock market or commodities. As you can see, there's not very much change that goes on day to day here, or anything too crazy. But moving on to this next graph here, we can actually see the net percent change per year here. So years like 2002, 2003, 2005, 2014, we've seen either the greatest positive or negative net percent change throughout the year, meaning dollar either gained a lot or lost a lot here. So as you can see, already through 2017, we are right around 8.83%, which is definitely on the higher end of things, and the year's not even done yet. Since the top of the year, dollar has lost well over 8% here on the euro, is depicted by this graph. So with this last infographic here, we can actually see the highs and lows of the USD euro currency pair, also as the years go by here. So even looking at this graph, this is just another testament that aside from a few days here in which you can see the differences in the graphs, we're not seeing big swings in highs and lows here within the USD euro currency pair. So this kind of just fortifies our argument here in being very doubtful for the dollar to hit parity anytime soon, and by soon I mean within the next couple of years here. Right now we are at 116 and some change. And just looking at this graph here, we can see the lows and the highs of the day here. There isn't much, huge differences in the rates of exchange here. So heading back to our initial page and drawing back to our question, do I see parity happening within the next 2 years? No. Unless something cataclysmic happens, I don't see it happening, neither does the data. Thank you all for watching my presentation, and take care.